Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Rishastra and Vaishiji Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So today we will deal regarding the topic of Upakalpanas of the Himakalpana. So Himakalpana, you know that it is one among the Panchveda Kashaya Kalpana. So Himakalpana is nothing but cold infusion. So coming to the Upakalpana, that are secondary preparations of the Himakalpana. So it is of three numbers. They are like Mantha Kalpana, Udaka Kalpana, as well as the Panaka Kalpana. So coming to the Mantha Kalpana, so Mantha, uh, according to this Sharadhar, it is mentioned that Manthu api Fanta Beda. So Mantha is the variety of the Fanta or the Upakalpana of the Fanta Kalpana. So here to prepare the Mantha, so one part of the coarsely powder drug, it should be soaked in the sufficient quantity of water for like 2 to 4 hours and in a clean stainless steel vessel, and to this well soaked and what is after soaking the drug will be like softened, like this well soaked drug, for that 4 parts of the water should be added and it should be churned well. So it should be churned like either manually by, that is by hands, or mechanically, uh, until this liquid uh, it becomes what is the liquid will be cold water, so it will get become or it will turn to warm because of the rigorous churning. So it should be churned until the cold water it gets turned to the warm because of the rigorous churning. So later after that, which we should filtered it, and this filtrate it is used as the mantha for the therapeutic purposes. So coming to the dosage, like it is administered in the dose of like 2 pill, along with like required quantity of the sugar and or honey, and this preparations for the instant use, that is sadhyo sevana. So coming to the properties and uses of the mantha. So it is like pipasa as well as the shramanashana. Pipasa is nothing but for the thirst, and shrama is nothing but the exhaustion. And it is like sadhyo, balakaraka, and the mantha which is prepared of amlarasa dravya. So when administered along with the ghee and jaggery, so it helps in case of the Mutra Vricha as well as in the Udhavarta Roga. So mantha prepared with sugar, sugarcane juice, or with draksha rasa. So it will be helpful in all types of the pittaja rogas. And it is mantha is beneficial in kaphaja rogas if it is like prepared with draksha or maduka pushpa. So mantha it acts as malashodaka. So if it is prepared with the all the above said the drugs. So coming to the examples, one is the Karchurati Mantha. So for this ingredients, we can ingredients are like Karjura Phala. Karjura is nothing but the dates. It should be taken like 1 part. Then Dhadima, pomegranate, Dhadima Bija, that is pomegranate, 1 part. Draksha, 1 part. Tindika, 1 part. Amlika, 1 part. Amalaki, fruit pulp, it should be taken 1 part. And Parushaka, fruit pulp, it should be taken like 1 part. And water or the chala, which should be taken 28 parts. And method of preparation is the general method of preparation. So all the drugs should be made into like coarse powder, or it should be crushed and added with a sufficient quantity of water, and then it should be churned rigorously until the cool water it becomes like slightly warm, and of that it should be filtered and used. So coming to the dosage, it is like 2 pill, and can be given any of the stable anupana, and it is indicated in case of the Madhya Vikaras. So next coming to the Udaka Kalpana. So Udaka is a Upakalpana of Himakalpana. So here water soluble extracts of the drugs that are used for the purpose of the medication. So coming to the properties and uses, it is used as pitta shamak and mutrala, and indicated in case of mutrataha, that is burning micturition, and alpa mutrata, and they are used as adjuvants, that is as anupana, and also for the bhavana dravyas. and in pharmaceutical procedures. And dosage, coming to the dosage, general dosage is like 2 pill, and it can be given either with sugar or the honey. And these preparations are Satyu Sevana, that is for the instant use only. So coming to the examples, one is Tandulodaka. So according to Sharindar Madhyam Khand, first chapter, 28 shlok number, it is mentioned that Kanditam Tandula Phalam Chale Ashtagunite Kshipet Bhavaitvam Chalam Grahyam Deyam Sarvatra Karmasu. So coming to the ingredients, Tandula is nothing but the dehusked rice grain. It should be taken 1 parts, and then water or the chala should be taken 8 parts here. Ratio is 1:8. And coming to the method of preparation, so here like 1 pal of tandula is should be taken in a clean stainless steel vessel of the appropriate size we have to take. And for that, 8 parts of water should be added, and it should be like mixture. It should be mixed properly and then like left undisturbed for an hour or for the 2 hours. And this should be this mixture. Then we have to macerate it properly by our hands, and then after that we have to filter it. And the washed water, what you're getting, the rice washed water, what you're getting, it should be filtered once. Okay, then it is used as the tandulodaka. And for the and it is used for like different pharmaceutical as well as for the therapeutic purpose, and generally used and also used as anupan and also for the bhavana dravyas. So dosage is 2 pill along with sugar or honey, and it is used in case of mutradaha or that is burning maturation or hastapada daha, and in case of minor like pitta charokas. And tandulodaka is administered along with pishanak churn in case of the menstrual disorders. Next, coming to the panaka kalpana. So the reference from like Dravya Guna, first chapter 30 shlok number. So it is mentioned like Phalamblam Anamlam Va Sheetambu Parimartitam Sitamaricha Samyuktam Putam Syat Panakam Varam. So Panak Kalpana is Upakalpana of Himakalpana. So there is no actually like classic reference, and it is prepared with any of the like we can use either amla or anamla dravyas and or fruits mixed and then processed with a cold water. And this the fruits commonly used are like lemon we can use, or tamarind or mango, grapes, pineapple, etc. And these fruits are steamed to extract the juice and dilute. We can steam it to extract, or we can dilute as required, and then we can have to dilute as required, and then it should be served along with like sugar, pepper, salt, and other required spices we can add to it. So coming to the properties and uses of the panak is this preparations, it is like pitta shamak and satyo balakarak, and then daha trishna nivaraka. And dosage of panakalpana is the dosage we can give like 2 pill along with sugar or honey, and it is for the satyu semana, that is instant use only. So, like examples for the panak kalpan, chincha panak. So, chincha ingredients for this chincha panak are one is chincha fal, that is tamarind pulp, 1 part we can take, and then for that gel or water we have to take 4 parts, and khanda sharkara, that is sugar candy, we have to take 2 parts, and saindav lavan, 1/10th part, and fried jeerak churn, then we have to take 1/10th part, and then fried marichi churna, that is pepper powder, we have to take the 1/20th part. So coming to the method of preparation of the chincha panak. So here the ripe tamarind, it should be soaked in water. After removing its seeds, we have to remove its seeds first. Then we have to soak in a sufficient quantity, that is 2 parts of water for 1 hour to 1 to 2 hours we can soak it, and then after that we have to macerate it well by hands, and then we have to filter liquid part, I have to filter it. And with this filter it, what we are getting, for that powders of remaining drugs like it is pepper powder, that is maricha churna and chirak, fried chirak churna we should be added, and saindar lavana what is mentioned that we have to add it, and it should be mixed properly. And dosage is like 2 pal, and it is Agni Deepak and Amapachak, and it is useful in case of Agni Mantya, Jirna, Aruchi, Atmana, and Ato. Next, second one is Chandana Panak. So ingredients here is Shweta Chandan. You have to take 1 part and gel 4 parts, and Khanda Sharkar 2 parts, Jambir Swaras 1 by 10th part, and method of preparation, general method of preparation, and dosage is 2 pal, and it is good Patashamak, and it is used in case of Hastapadadaha, Trishna, Mutradaha, as well as the Chara. So this is regarding the today's topic, Upakalpanas of Himakalpana. So if you have any queries, please mention in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.